How to integrate Contact Form 7 with Zoho CRM. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Contact Form 7 with Zoho CRM. This integration will allow you to automatically send form submissions directly to your CRM, helping you manage your leads more effectively. So let's get started. First, ensure that you have a Zoho CRM account. Log into your Zoho CRM dashboard and go to Setup in the top right corner. Under Developer Space, click on APIs and then API Settings, and here generate an API key by creating a new client. Note down your client ID and client secret. You'll need these for the integration. Next, ensure you have the Contact Form plugin installed on your WordPress site. If you haven't done it yet, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins, then Add New and search for Contact Form 7 and install it. Now, let's create your contact form. Go to Contact in your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. Set up your form fields as needed, such as name, email, phone number, and message. Make sure to customize the settings to match your preferences. To connect Contact Form 7 to Zoho CRM, we'll need a third-party integration plugin. I recommend using Zapier or WP Webhooks. For this tutorial, let's go with WP Webhooks. Install and activate the plugin from the WordPress plugin repository. Once activated, navigate to WP Webhooks in your dashboard and go to the Receive Data section. Create a new webhook. This webhook will be triggered every time someone submits the Contact Form 7 form. Copy the generated webhook URL for the next step. Go back to your Contact Form 7 settings, and under the form you created, go to the Mail tab and look for the option to add additional mail settings. Paste the webhook URL into the appropriate field to ensure that every form submission triggers the webhook. Now, we need to set up the Google Apps script to send the form data to Zoho CRM. So open Google Sheets, click on Extensions, then Apps Script. In the script editor, write a function that captures incoming data from the webhook and uses Zoho's API to create a new lead. Make sure to include the necessary headers and authentication using your client ID and secret. And finally, you can test the integration so you know it works. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Contact Form 7 with Zoho CRM. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Happy connecting!